we'll just find a little bit of time just to sit, to be still, and then I'll start off with a little bit of breath work. So if you're not familiar with Viloma pranayama, you can kind of think of it's restricted breath. So I want you to think about the lungs in 3 parts. You'll try to fill it up towards the first third, then you'll try to fill it up towards the second third, and then you'll try to fill it all the way up towards the brim. Hold for a little bit at the top, and then release with a deep, long exhale. So we'll do that a few rounds, and then go from there. So whenever you're ready, sit up really, really, really tall. You can close your eyes, keep them open, palms face down, face up, set them wherever feels comfortable. And then just to start, 3 cleansing rounds of breath. Take a big exhale, empty it out. And then 3 rounds, big inhale. Open mouth exhale. 2 more, big inhale. And open mouth exhale. 1 more, big inhale. And open mouth exhale. And then just take these next few rounds of breath here on your own. And I just want you to just register the feelings in your body. So as you go through this breath work, as you go through this meditation, it's not about doing it right. And it's not about acknowledging whether, or rather punishing yourself for your mind not being still. This practice is all about awareness. So just noticing whatever comes up. It's impossible to allow the mind to just shut off. So we use this practice to acknowledge these external thoughts, whatever might be detracting us from the current moment, placing a name to it, labeling it, and then saying hello to it and bringing it off to the side. So we'll move towards our 3-part breath. I'll have us inhale for a count of 4, hold, inhale for another count of 4, hold, and then inhale for another count of 4. And then if you find yourself kind of losing count, or you might not be on the same cadence, that's totally okay. Just join us back when you're ready. So we'll begin. Big inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Fill up 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Fill up 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, hold, hold. And then big exhale. Nice. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Big exhale, let it go. Nice. 2 more times. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, hold, hold. Deep exhale, let it go. Nice. Last time through. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Deep exhale, let it go. Whatever control that you have of your breath, let it go. And just continue to allow the breath to return back to its natural cadence. Beautiful. If you have your eyes closed, gently blink them open for a moment just so I can show you the next breathing exercise. So it's called nadi shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. And you've got 2 halves of your brain. And the idea here is just to kind of connect the 2 halves. So oftentimes we rely on one side of the brain only, and then that can also kind of trigger the nervous system. So I just kind of want to reconnect and find a little balance here. So with your right hand, you'll curl the index and middle finger in, Alternatively, I like placing the index and middle finger to the third eye, the space in between the eyebrows. You'll start off by plugging your right nostril with your thumb, and then inhale through the left nostril. Seal it with your ring finger with your left, and then exhale out the right. Inhale through the right nostril. Plug with your thumb, exhale out the left. Inhale through the left. Plug with your ring, exhale right. Inhale right. Plug with your thumb, exhale left. Inhale left. Plug with your ring, exhale right. Inhale right. Plug with your thumb, exhale left. Inhale left. Plug with your ring, exhale right. Inhale right. Plug with your thumb, exhale left. Inhale left. Plug with your ring, exhale right. Inhale right. Plug with your thumb, exhale left. Inhale left. Plug with your ring, exhale right. Inhale right. Plug with your thumb, exhale left. Inhale left. Plug with your thumb, exhale right. Inhale right. Plug with your thumb, exhale left. 2 more rounds. Inhale left. Plug with your ring, exhale right. Inhale right. Plug with your thumb, exhale left. Inhale left. Plug with your ring, exhale right. Inhale right. Plug with your thumb, exhale left. And then gently release your right palm. As you come back to your breath, just take these next few moments, take inventory of the body, the mind, the breath. See whatever's going on, what may have arisen. And as we manipulate the breath, as we control the breath, this helps to alert the parasympathetic nervous system that you are safe, that you are calm, that you are exactly where you need to be. So just begin to register those feelings. So as we move towards our meditation, you do not necessarily have to be seated. You can always recline if that feels a little better for you. So go ahead and orient yourself however you wish, either seated or reclined. And I'll guide us through just a little bit of metta meditation to start. So metta meditation is loving kindness. So like I talked about earlier, compassion. When you utilize mindfulness and you start to feel compassion towards yourself, then you become a little more aware of how this can transcend to other people. Especially in an uncertain, frustrating, confusing time like we are in right now. It's really, really important to begin to draw inwards and find where it is within ourselves that we can be kind to ourselves. And this includes our internal dialogue. So think about how it is that you're speaking to yourself. Are you giving yourself words of affirmation, or are you giving yourself a hard time, not enough credit? Are you acknowledging the things that you do, the effort that you take, the time that you take? Or are you diminishing that and saying that it doesn't matter? So think about your current attitude towards yourself. What's it like? When you are also honest with yourself, that is also when you can be truly compassionate to yourself. And it's not wrong if you are not necessarily compassionate to yourself all the time. It's totally human. But moving forward, incorporate that mindfulness where you can utilize compassion towards yourself. When you feel that, notice how it shifts your mindset. Notice how it changes how you might interact with somebody else. When compassion starts from within, it causes these ripple effects. If you are constantly talking negatively to yourself or putting yourself down or not giving yourself enough credit, then it's unfair to say that you can be compassionate to other people. So just consider that and acknowledge where it is where you can be a little kinder to yourself. With that kindness that you feel towards yourself, just begin to think of this mantra. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be safe from inner and outer danger. May I be well in body and mind. May I be at ease and happy. So I'll repeat this a few more times, and you can repeat it along with me internally as you like. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be safe from inner and outer danger. May I be well in body and mind. May I be at ease and happy. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be safe from inner and outer danger. May I be well in body and mind. May I be at ease and happy. Now begin to think about someone, something, maybe like an organization or something, and start to dedicate your loving kindness, your compassion to them. So I'm going to think about all of the people whose jobs are designed to support us on a daily basis. So people like post office workers, like the postman dropping off the mail, garbage people, like the garbage still has to be picked up, all the first responders, all the healthcare workers who are absolutely overburdened. Let's go ahead and think about someone, some things, some bodies. And then we'll start to direct this mantra towards them. If you would like, you can raise your arms, bend at your elbows, and then bring your palms out, just kind of facing out in front of you, and just kind of feel the energy kind of emanate away from your palms. But you don't have to. This is something that we do during mantras. So bring those people towards the top of your mind. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be safe from inner and outer danger. Excuse me. May you be well in body and mind. May you be at ease and happy. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be safe from inner and outer danger. May you be well in body and mind. May you be at ease and happy. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be safe from inner and outer danger. May you be well in body and mind. And may you be at ease and happy. You had your palms lifted. Go ahead and bring them towards your low belly. Just take a deep inhale breath into both your palms. And smooth exhale, let it go. And then towards the solar plexus, by the breastbone, slide your palms towards there. Deep inhale to both those palms. Deep exhale. Yes, one more. Slide your palms towards your heart. And like I always say, find gratitude for your beating heart underneath your palms. Find gratitude for this current moment in time. Take a deep inhale breath. Smooth exhale breath. And gently release the palms. Let's take another moment just to register whatever has come up. And then as you feel ready, gently blink the eyes open. Rock your head from side to side if that feels good.